Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This time it's time for polishing, and I would like to share how I do it, and firstly why I do it. There are three reasons why. Let me welcome you to today's episode. 650cc bike, 6 positions. Those little scratches, you know, that you find on the surface of your car can be removed using a different kind of polish. So I usually use Sonax, but you can use also other brands like 3M or others. So there are three reasons why I do it. The first one is to get the smooth surface just before the summertime, because of all those little insects that may come on your car. The second one is because of, like I previously said, those little scratches that can be removed. And the third one is to get that really shiny look. Okay guys, I just use this polish called Sonax, and this is a normal polish. You can use also the pen for covering those little scratches, and this is the red color because the car is also sunset red. The other thing that you should use, or at least I use it, this is the old-fashioned way. This is the cotton wool. So you just make a piece that it's let's say like a ball, and you will see how I do it. We should put some polish on the cotton wool and just start doing it. Then we wait for maybe 2-3 minutes and use another cotton wool to remove this polish. Here it is, a new cotton wool, not used, and let's go. You can also check the smoothness, and if you are gonna try it, you will see that it's really smooth. So the surface, it's really smooth. I also polish my car just before the winter time. because of all that salt that it's on the road. This is the reason why. So if you polish your car twice a year, it is a great solution not to get all those dirt, so insects during the springtime and summertime, and all that salt and mud during the winter time. Okay guys, the polishing it's finished, and right now it is time to check the results. It is really shiny, so the car it's finished. You can see yourself in the car, I mean on the doors. So here I should also do it a bit more, because I left this piece, you know, here is the shadow. Yeah, okay guys, here it's perfect, I think. So I am satisfied. This was polishing. I hope that you like it. I do it twice a year, so just before the summertime and just before the winter time. I think it's a great solution to keep your car in great condition. Thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe.